Hi there, Stampers. Jen Roque here from StampCampWithJen.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, near the Villages, and welcome to my July 2026 Stamp Camp to Go, featuring the Stitched Stocking Bundle from the July 2026 online exclusives. In this class, you're going to get kits to make 4 cards. You're going to make 2 of each for a total of 8 cards total. So here's a little sneak peek of the cards we're going to make in the class. Lots of fun. I always try to make a fun fold. So this is a double flap that you can actually put a little gift card in this pocket. Nice and fun. And then a little fun card here. And here's our 4th design. Very fun. So like I said, you're going to get 2 card kits for each of these cards to make a total of 8 cards. You're also going to get half a pack of the Stitched Season Designer Series paper cut down to 6x6. You're going to get a full pack of the adhesive-backed mini Christmas buttons. And you're gonna get a full spool of the real red and white stitched ribbon, okay? So you're gonna get all that. So you'll have plenty left over to make more projects on your own. My Stamp Camp to Go also features a video and written tutorial for each of the projects and a cutting guide to make it very easy for you to cut and assemble your cards, okay? Now, if you need you will need the bundle to make these cards. So if you need it for this class, you can add it on to your kit when you register and save 17% on tax and shipping. The recommended inks are Real Red, Secret Sea, and Peaceful Pine. So if you need any of those inks, you can also add it on to your kit and save 17% on tax and shipping. Now, the deadline to register is July 7th, and then July 8th, I will be ordering everything, and it takes about 2 to 3 weeks for me to package it and then ship it out to you, okay? So be patient, but I will do it as quickly as I can. If you want the PDF only option, I do have that available. Those will be sent to you when the kits ship. So you can purchase a tutorial now, and when the kits ship, the tutorial will be emailed to you, okay? If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Don't forget you can subscribe to my monthly Stamp Camp to Go and save 10% on your kits. So that is available. To subscribe and get this kit, you need to subscribe by July 1st, okay? But July 7th is the deadline if you just want to do a one-time purchase for this class, okay? All right, guys. Well, if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you're excited for our Christmas in July themed Stamp Camp to Go. Have a great day, be safe, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.